In this demonstration, I'll show you how to create and process a transfer order in Zoho Inventory. We begin by navigating to the Transfer Orders module and creating a new transfer order. The system automatically generates a unique transfer order number, while the current date is populated by default. Next, we select the source warehouse from which the inventory will be transferred, followed by the destination warehouse where the stock needs to be received. Once the locations are selected, we simply search for and add the required inventory items. Zoho Inventory displays the available stock, allowing users to verify inventory before initiating the transfer. We then specify the quantity to be transferred for each item. After reviewing the details, we click Initiate Transfer. This creates the transfer order and updates its status, providing complete visibility into the movement of inventory between warehouses. The transfer order can be viewed at any time, printed, shared with stakeholders, or tracked throughout the transfer process. This streamlined workflow helps organizations maintain accurate inventory records while ensuring complete traceability of stock movements across multiple warehouse locations.